panagtigo, kaniadto karon ug sa umalabot. This is the theme of the significant mission-wide event, a gathering of literature evangelists spanning from historical figures to contemporary leaders. This momentous occasion is focused on reflecting on our past, examining our present, and envisioning our future in the realm of literature evangelism.
Katuyan ani aron nga bag-o o marinyo ang ilang mga commitment nga sila magpadayon.
Ministers and people should engage in the circulation of both pamphlets and brochures as never before.
The reason why nga nagpabiling ko aning ikuhan, it is because diri na ko na-experience ang kamaayo, diri na ko mas naila-ila ang Ginoo.
As we reflect on the past, engage with the present, and plan for the future, this gathering is a testament to the enduring importance of literature in our evangelistic efforts. This is Janine Hanodipa reporting for Hope Channel, Southern Mindanao.